The Ministry of Home Affairs has now allowed shops selling non-essential goods to resume businesses from today. The shops which are allowed to function are only outside the hotspot areas and outside the containment zones. The order only applies to shops within the municipal limits. However, shops in shopping complexes and malls will continue to remain shut. The MHA in its order has said that the shops can function with 50% work staff, but they have been mandated to wear masks and maintain social distancing norms.
दुकानें खुल सकती हैं। मित्रों, गृह मंत्रालय ने ये जिम्मेदारी राज्य सरकारों को दी है और हमें इंतजार करना होगा तब तक जब तक राज्य सरकारें इस बारे में कोई निर्णय नहीं लेती हैं। लेकिन निश्चित रूप से मुझे लगता है कि आज दिन में राज्य सरकारें इस पर निर्णय लेंगी। मैं आप सब लोगों से ये कहना चाहता हूं कि जब भी दुकान खुलने का मौका आए, सबसे पहले आप अपनी दुकान को सैनिटाइज करें, अपनी मार्केट को सैनिटाइज करें और सुरक्षा के उपकरण जैसे मास्क है, ग्लव्स है, सैनिटाइजर है, उनका लगातार उपयोग करें और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बनाए रखें।
Kamaljeet Sandhu now joins us live. Kamaljeet, we've explained to our viewers what the MHA order really is, what the exceptions are and what the caveats really are as far as this Ministry of Home Affairs order is concerned. But the biggest fear at the moment is that when these non-essential shops will open, people will be stepping out to buy a lot of goods for themselves as well. There's a whole list which is also asking, many people on social media asking questions as to whether or not it is counterproductive to the lockdown measures that the centre has taken. What are you picking up on that front?
Jyoti, let me begin on a lighter note. Yesterday, many of the top officers across the country took to Twitter to express the complications of the order. It wasn't easy for the MHA reporters either, but let's put it in perspective. One is what happens in urban cities and towns, and what is the difference for rural areas. First of all, shops in rural areas are all open. So technically, there are no grounds to close anyone except for malls or branded shops and retail shops. These are the ones which will be closed, but otherwise, technically, all shops in rural areas are open. Now, in municipality limits, what has been allowed is the shops which are standalone shops, which are shops which cater to neighborhood societies. These are going to be open. So this is going to be a relief to all the small traders. But yes, as far as the big brands are concerned, multi-brand, single brand shops, so all the branded shops and big malls, they're going to be essentially closed. But yes, a relief coming into all the neighborhood shops, standalone shops. But again, what do they cater to? And again, it is largely been left up to the state governments to decide. Now, technically, a lot of people are asking question whether the barber shops are going to really open, because that is one of the key questions many people have been asking. It was Twitter, which was trending that. I need a haircut for a very long time, so we've still been awaiting that. But clearly, social distancing is going to be a problem, especially when it comes to areas like the barber shop. We are still awaiting clarity on that. The other is many are asking whether the alcohol or excise will be open in that particular sense. It won't be because they don't come under the Shop Act. So clearly, those who are looking out should not be looking that way at all, because this order doesn't say so. But yes, it's going to be a relief to the small traders, but it is largely up to the state governments to decide what they're going to really allow. But clearly, as far as markets are concerned, so we're talking about if, for instance, in Delhi, it's going to be Janpath or Nehru Place, Khan Market, they're going to be all closed.
All right.
Dining out is not allowed. So all these are measures, but again, it's going to be a slow start because
absolutely.
In the economy,
Leave it at that. Kamaljeet, thanks for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest details on this story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.